Hello, all. Welcome to another session in this course. This session is a continuation of previous session where I covered the part 7 of HTML basics. Now we are into the part 8 of HTML basics, and as part of this part 8, I'm going to cover iframes topic as a first topic. So let's get started here with iframes. What are iframes? First of all, you need to understand what exactly are iframes. So using these iframes, we can let's assume that this is a website page. Okay. Assume that this is a website page. In this website page, if you want to embed another page, okay. In this particular website page, if you want to embed another website page like this, you can actually embed multiple website pages also. For embedding this kind of this website pages in a page, we need something known as iframe tag. Okay. We need iframe tag. In HTML, we have a tag name known as iframe, using which we can embed other pages in a single page. Okay, so I'll show you this practically, guys. I'm going to show you this practically how to write the HTML code using the iframe tag so that you can embed different pages into a single page. So let's move here. Let me remove this code. Now nothing is there in the body tag. Just click on save, and here write the iframe tag. Just write iframe tag, iframe. Okay, then slash iframe. End that also. Okay, give the ending tag, that is slash iframe tag you give. Now, inside the iframe tag, the starting tag, you need to give the attributes. First, you have to give the src. In this iframe tag, you have to give the src. And in this src attribute, you need to give the URL of the page you want to embed here. For example, I want to embed a qfox.com website page. I want to embed this particular website page here in the src. Now save this. Once I save this, and in the browser, if I open that file, c:/users arunyam downloads 3.html. You see, one website page is embedded already here. So one website page is already embedded here, guys. Let me, just go to the normal way. But you see, the height and width are not that great. So what I will do here is I'll just add few more attributes here. That is I'll just give something like 900. Let's see what will happen if I give 900 here. Save this. 900 pixels. Save this. You see, the height got increased and it's perfect height actually. And width also, I'm not satisfied with the width. Okay, it should be somewhat more better. Okay, so I'll just give the width. I'll just give the width as some 400 pixels. Now save this. Just go here and refresh. You see, now the page has been properly embedded in this particular. This is a page. In this, another website page got embedded. Like this, you can embed any number of website pages, guys. Like this, you can embed another. Okay, any number of website pages you can embed. Again, the same thing you have to do. Again, type the iframe tag. How many iframes you want to embed? You can do that. Okay, this is the purpose of the iframe tag. Iframe. Again here, just give src is equal to, give another application page URL. Let's say I would like to give selenium 143.blogspot.com, or shall I give any other stuff? Otherwise, I don't know whether we can embed them or not, but let me try. I'll give omaya.blogspot.com, which is common thing. Would like to go with the common stuff. Okay, and here height and width I'll give. Like this, any number of website pages you can embed, guys. Just save this. Just refresh this. You see, multiple pages got embedded here. Okay, this is one page, this is one page. Okay, this is one page. Like that, you can embed any number of website pages using the iframe tag. So this is how we can use iframe to embed the website pages in the current web page. Hope you understood what exactly the iframes are. Use it to display web page within another website page by embedding them. And this is a code for that. Now, since you understood what exactly are iframes, now let's move on to the next type of element. But why I'm actually explaining all this advanced kind of stuff like iframe? Because in the coming days, guys, I'm going to use Playwright automation tool to automate this iframe. Okay, in the coming, it's not just for locators part. Okay, whatever I covered so far as a prerequisite for HTML basics prerequisite, whatever I covered till here, till the part 7, right, that is enough for understanding the locators. Okay, I told you in the beginning, right, why we are learning HTML. For understanding the locators is one of the reason behind why we are learning the basic knowledge of HTML. till here it's enough, guys. For locators part, till here it is enough. But why I'm covering this iframes and all those other details, the reason behind that is, in the coming sessions, I'm going to use a Playwright test automation tool to automate such kind of elements. Okay, to automate all these kind of elements, like iframes and all, I am going to use a Playwright automation tool. If you have the knowledge of this HTML code of this iframe, you'll be able to understand how the Playwright is able to automate this kind of iframes and so on. Okay, that's the reason I'm covering the HTML code for this kind of advanced elements like iframes and all. So next thing is event tables, also same thing, guys. In the coming sessions, I'm going to show you how to use Playwright automation tool to automate or handle the tables. Okay. So, but you need to understand what exactly are tables. Let me give an example of a table, guys. If I go here to this particular page, you see on this website page, there is a table. I want to create the same table, exact same table I want to create. How to create? You need to write the HTML code, clear the body tags, and here, in order for you to create the table, you need to first understand that we have a tag name known as table tag. Okay. In HTML, we have a tag. Okay. In HTML, we have a tag name known as table tag, using which we can create the tables. How to create the tables? Just write the table tag and end that with slash table. Okay. Closing tag. In between that, in between that, you can create two children. One is t head, t head, the starting of the t head, this is ending of the t head, and here t body slash t body, like this you write. Inside the table tags, I created two child tags known as t head and t body. T head and t body are the sibling tags now, right? They are at the same level. So t head means head section of the table. Okay, for example, here, if you see this particular thing, if you say this is a table, okay, let's say I'll just increase the font. Just let me take a screenshot of this. Okay, let me draw. So this part is called as this part of the table is called as a table heading. Okay, this is a table body. The second box is called as a table body. T head, T body. Okay, to represent the T head and T body, we can write TH tags. T head means here one more tag is coming along with the table tag. We have to use something known as T head. T head means table heading tag. Okay, we also have one more tag known as T body. T body means table body tag. Okay, T head means table heading tag. T body means table body tag. Like that, multiple tags are there, guys. Okay, and other thing you need to know about this T head and T bodies, these are optional tags. It's not compulsory. When you create a table, it's not compulsory to specify this T head and T body. So what you can do, guys, here inside the T head, what I'm going to do in the T head, for example, if you see this diagram in the T head, this is a T head section. How many rows are there in the T head, guys? How many rows are there? Only one row, right? Only one row is there. This is the first row. Here, this part is the one row. Okay, only one row is there. Only one row is there. In the T head section, only one row is there. To represent the table row, we have a tag name known as tr tag. To represent the table row, we have a tag name known as tr tag. Tr means table row. Tr means table row. We have a table row tag. So what I'm going to do here is, here inside the t head tags, I'm going to create a child tag known as tr. Tr means table row, full form, slash tr, closing tag. And if you see this table row, inside this table row, there are three columns. 1, 2, 3. Name, age, place are there. Three items are there. These are table headings. Name is one table heading. In this row of the table head, name is one of the heading, age is one of the heading, and place is one of the heading. These are table headings. So we have another tag known as th tag. Th stands for table heading tag. So what I need to do here is, I just have to go inside the tr tags and give th slash th, like that you write. Save this. Okay. How many th tags are required? Three. Three table headings are there. Inside the tr tag, you need to create three child th tags. And inside the th tags, you write one is name, right? I want to create the same exact table. So name, age, place. Second one is age. Third one is place. Save this. Once you save this, guys, go to the T body. Now go to the T body section. In the T body section, how many rows are there in this example table? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know about the table rows, right? TR is a table row. Go here and create 4 table rows. TR slash TR. This is one table row. Copy this. Second, third, fourth table rows I created. Inside the first table row of the T body, inside the first table row of the T body, how many elements are there? Kishore, 22, Delhi. This is a table data. This is the data in the table. So Kishore is one table data, 22 is one table data in this row, and Delhi is another table data in the row. So I have to represent the table data in the HTML using TD tags. TD stands for table data. TD stands for table data. Okay. So how to use the table data? Let me show you. Here, TD, TD, slash TD. How many? Three. One, two, three. Kishore, Kishore 22 Delhi. Okay. Let me write Kishore 22 Delhi. Kishore 22 Delhi. Like this you write. Now, second row you go in the table body. Second row in the table body is Manish 25 Pune. Three table data are there. Again, just copy paste this one and modify that. Manish 25 Pune. 25 and Pune. Like this. Okay. Now in the third table row of the table body, Praveen 29 Bangalore is there. Copy this just to save the time. Praveen 29 Bangalore. And last one, copy this. Come back here, TD. And the last one, Deepti 31 Mumbai. Deepti 31 Mumbai. Okay, now save this. That's it. I created a table, guys. This is how we need to create a table. So table tags will be there. Inside the body tags, we have to write the table tags. In that, this T head and T body sections are optional. Whether you write or not doesn't matter. If you want to organize the code in a better way, you can write the T head and T body tags. In the T head, only one row will be there. In the three table headings are there using the TH tags. But in the T body, there are multiple rows, and each and every row has table data which got represented with TD tags. Now save this and go here and refresh the page to see whether we got a table or not. Yes, we got a table. Okay, of course we got a table, but there is one thing that is missing in this table. That is border of the table is missing. If you want to get the border for the table, go to the table tag, guys. Go to the table tag. Here in the table tag, add border is equal to. Just give some number, guys. Like one. One means minimum border it will give. If you increase the border size, if you want to give the border size, you have to increase the number, guys. Okay, save this. For now, I'm giving the light border. Refresh, you will get a border. Okay, this also looks good. Now, if you want to increase it like 5 or something, if you want to give, you can see the thickness, refresh, you'll get a thickness here. Okay. So this is what is a table border of the table, guys. Border attribute we have to give in the table tag. Okay. So this is HTML code for this is HTML code, guys. This is HTML code for creating a table. This is HTML code for creating the table. And why we are learning this HTML code, it's very important, guys. If you don't know how to create a table using HTML, using Playwright automation tool, you will not be able to handle or automate the tables properly. Okay. If you want to handle or automate the tables properly, it's a good thing to have the knowledge of HTML, knowledge of the table. Okay. That's the reason you are learning the table here. So I covered iframes and tables. Two important items I covered, guys. Okay. Which we are going to automate with the help of Playwright in the upcoming sessions. But before we go there, you should have the knowledge. That's the reason I covered here as part of the part 8 of the HTML basics I covered here. Then we have other item known as order list and unordered list. Let me cover this in the same session. Order list. What is order list? Let me show you an example of the order list. You see, this is the order list, guys. 1, 2, 3. If a list of elements are there, and they need to be provided in an order, then you will go with the order list. Okay. This is called as the order list. And if some elements are there, if some list items are there, which don't have to be in a particular order, so here bullet options are enough. No need to have the numbers here. Okay. This is unordered list. Okay, list of items without any particular order, which doesn't need any numerical bulleting kind of stuff. Numerical kind of bullets is called as unordered list. Whereas if you want a list of items which need to be provided in a particular order, listed down or okay, order listed, okay, then we have to go with the order list. Fine. So can you give an example of list of items which need to be put in a particular order? Let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This list of items, the days of a week, or even January, February, March, April, months of the year. All these kind of items can be put in a particular order, right? So here, what I will do here is I'll just clear this code, guys. Let me clear this code. Now let me explain about the order list first. Okay, let me explain about the order list. In HTML, to create an order list, we have a tag name known as OL tag. OL stands for order list. Order list. Okay. Ordered list. OL stands for ordered list. Okay. So in this OL, all the items will be listed in a particular order. Okay. That is numbering will be there as part of bulleting. Numbering kind of thing will be there as part of listing out. So one example of the order list items can be like days in a week, or months in a year, or whatever the items, list of items which need to be put in a particular order can be part of the order list. And we have to use some tag name known as OL tag for order list. And in this order list, to specify the list items, we have LI tag. LI means list item. Another tag name also we have to remember, that is list item. So using these two tag names, we can create the order list. Let me show you practically. Here I'll create OL. OL stands for order list / OL. And in this OL, I'm going to create the list items LI. What is the LI? Here Monday I'll say / LI. Okay, this is one list item. Like this, I'll create multiple list items. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Just change this: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then here Sunday. Okay, these are the list of items which are put inside the list items. LI means a list item. Have put inside the parent tag known as OL tag, ordered list tag. Now, if you save this and go and refresh this page here, you see, okay, the list items are coming in an order list format. This is coming in an order list format. Similarly, I can create an unordered list. To create the unordered list, just copy this thing as OL thing. You just copy here. It will be easy for us to create the unordered list now. It will be easy for us to create the unordered list. Just instead of OL, you change it to UL. UL means unordered list. OL means order list. UL means unordered list. Okay. Here, UL means unordered list. Unordered. Ordered list. Okay. UL means unordered list. Under the UL also we have the same LI. The same LI list items will be there. Okay. When you create the list of items under the unordered list, this list items will be coming with bullet. Okay. Not non-numbering bullet kind of format it will come. So let me show you here. What is an example of the list of items which doesn't need any order? Let's say different fruits or different colors. Okay, they don't have to be in a specific order. Let's say blue. You can give the colors in any order, right? Orange. Okay, black, pink, yellow, white, red. You see, you can give list items as colors which doesn't need any particular order, and that's the reason I have specified this list items under the UL tag. Save this, go here and refresh the page. You see, this is coming in bullet because order is not important here in this case of unordered list. Whereas the order list, the list items need a particular order because Monday should come before Tuesday, Tuesday should come before Wednesday, and Wednesday should come before Thursday, Thursday should come before Friday, Friday should come before Saturday, Saturday should come before Sunday. Okay, that's the reason list item order list. This is unordered list. So with this note, we are done with order list and unordered list also, guys. So this is nothing but the part 8 of the HTML basics. Okay, I'm done with the part 8 of the HTML basics. In the next session, I'll take the part 9, where I'm going to start explaining about how to create a text box field in using the HTML code by writing the HTML, how to create a password field by writing the HTML code, how to create a button, okay, by writing the HTML code, how to create radio buttons by using the HTML code, how to create a checkbox field using the HTML code, and all those stuff. Okay, these are also very important because we are going to use Playwright test automation tool to automate such kind of elements. So having the HTML knowledge of these elements way before we use Playwright test automation tool for automating them is very important. Okay. So that's the reason I'll be covering them in the next session. That is part 9 of HTML basic. That is the next session. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.